The Little Red Fox. Once upon a time in a big forest there was a little red fox. His name was Finn. Finn had a shiny red coat and a bushy tail. He lived in a cozy den under a big tree. Every morning Finn woke up early. He stretched his legs and shook his tail. Then he went outside to explore. The forest was full of tall trees, green leaves and bright flowers. Finn liked to run and play in the forest. He chased butterflies and jumped over small rocks. Sometimes he found shiny pebbles or pretty feathers. Finn liked to collect these special things. One day, Finn met a new friend. It was a little brown rabbit named Lily. Lily was very fast and loved to hop around. Finn and Lily became good friends. They played together every day. Finn and Lily liked to explore new places in the forest. They found a clear blue pond. They saw colorful fish swimming in the water. Finn and Lily liked to sit by the pond and watch the fish. One sunny day, Finn and Lily went to the edge of the forest. They saw a big open field with tall grass. The grass was soft and green. Finn and Lily ran and rolled in the grass. They had so much fun. As they played, they heard a strange noise. It was a gentle humming sound. Finn and Lily followed the sound and found a group of bees. The bees were busy making honey. Finn and Lily watched quietly. The bees were very friendly. They showed Finn and Lily how they collected nectar from flowers. Finn and Lily learned how important bees are to nature. They thanked the bees and went back to the forest. One day, Finn and Lily found a big old tree with a hole in it. The hole was dark inside. Finn was a little scared, but Lily was brave. They decided to explore the hole. Inside, they found a hidden treasure. It was a small box with shiny coins and a beautiful necklace. Finn and Lily were very excited. They took the box and showed it to their friends. They shared the treasure with everyone in the forest. All the animals were happy and thanked Finn and Lily. As time passed, Finn and Lily continued to explore and have adventures. They found many new places and made many new friends. The forest was a magical place, and Finn and Lily loved it. One day a big storm came to the forest. The wind blew strongly, and it rained heavily. Finn and Lily quickly went to their den to stay safe. They were warm and dry inside. After the storm, the forest was wet and muddy. Finn and Lily went outside to see the damage. They saw that some trees had fallen. They helped their animal friends clean up and fix things. The animals worked together to repair the forest. They fixed broken homes and cleaned the muddy paths. Finn and Lily were happy to help. When the forest was back to normal, Finn and Lily celebrated with a big party. All the animals came, and they had food and games. They danced and sang, and everyone had a great time. Finn and Lily were very happy. They knew that their forest was a special place. They loved their home and their friends. Every day was an adventure, and they were grateful for each moment. Finn and Lily continued to explore and play. They discovered new things and had many fun experiences. They were always excited to see what the next day would bring. And so, Finn the little red fox and Lily the brown rabbit lived happily in the big forest. They were best friends and loved their adventures together. The forest was their home, and they were always happy to share it with their friends. The end. Thank you for listening. I would be happy if you like and follow.